Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. All right, thank you so much. So yes, we are coming back here again. Right? Okay. Hubert, nice to see you here. Right? And Flora, wow. Okay. Riano, Roger, yes. Suzanne and Mika. All right. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so many. Okay. All right, thank you. All right, and hi, 王志宇你好 ，CK 你好 ，Manwai 你好 ，Right, Fab, Trinet, Bradley, wow, OK, 大家好 ，wow, OK, TP your Powcat, OK, that's good, that's good, OK, nice to see and great to hear that, OK, OK, and yes, OK, so coming along today, what we are going to take a look over here, let me toggle around with this new system here. Okay, all right, so yes, what's that? Okay, now let me see. Okay, yes, yeah, now I'm going to do this, okay, and I need slightly bigger, okay, okay, yes, all right. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this MT4, please. All right, let me test. Okay, so that I'm making sure my mouse cursor is doing well, going good. Okay, all right. Okay, hi, สวัสดีครับ168你好 All right, guys. Those who are new to me, okay, remember to click on the like button and give me a subscribe with notification ring up. All right, so that you can get a notification from me whenever I go live, and also some new updates every week. I will have a journal over the weekend, so that everybody will have will learn from my experience, I would say, okay, so that hoping that everything will be good, okay. All right, so yes, let's take a look, okay, over here, what we are going to see today. All right, and right now, okay, Aussie CAD, well, Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD has actually, as we can see, Aussie CAD, okay, it has actually back into our bear zone, correct? So yesterday, I decided to give you a miss because it's actually into my transition zone, where this zone is quite a turbulence one, all right? So we are going to experience a lot of turbulence over here, which I don't really encourage any trading inside this area, okay? So this area will definitely is not a nice place, a good place to trade. Okay, so definitely I'm going to give it a miss. Okay, so Aussie CAD, will it be good for us to trade again today? I would say probably no. Okay, it's going for into the bear zone, where this bear zone has a lot of turbulence. So I'm going to skip this. Okay, all right. So next to go. Okay, next to go. Aussie franc. Aussie franc. What happened to my chart? Okay. Okay. Right. Aussie franc once again is also climbing very smoothly into my bear zone also. Okay, it's also climbing to my bear zone, where this bear zone here, I would say it's the same as Aussie CAD. Okay, a lot of turbulence. So a lot of turbulence, up and down over there, which is not very ideal. All right. So I'm not going to trade this. I'm going to skip this. Okay. All right. Okay, next to go. Okay, how about Aussie yen? All right, Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen, we are climbing in the bull. Okay, it's still very bullish. So the bull is still running very strong. Okay, so right now, as for the bull in the Aussie yen, is still climbing very smoothly towards my bull zone. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, so is there any chances that I can buy? Yes, you can, and the chances is coming. All right. Yes. Yes, the chance is here already. Okay. So, tentatively, by looking at this, we are on the resistance. So once it breaks the resistance, okay, once it breaks the resistance here, retest the resistance and forming up a buying signal, then okay, and then I guess that will be a good time to buy. All right. So Aussie yen is still good to buy, but no for selling. Okay, no for selling. All right. Okay, so let's move again to Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, yes, once again, all right, it has already come back to our transition area. All right, this is the transition area, whereby this area is definitely not a good place for us to sell. No, okay, no way. Okay, so it's still a good time for us to go for a stay away, not buy. Okay, it's to go for a stay away. All right, so let's stay away from Aussie Kiwi as well. So Aussie dollar, now Aussie dollar. Okay, let's take a look at Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar over here, and as we can see, Aussie is all going very strong. Okay, so still very strong, and now tentatively by looking at this, we are still looking out for a resistance up here. Okay, a resistance up here. Okay, this area of resistance, I guess, are pretty obvious that this stage here, it can be quite strong. All right, so I'm going to put this like this. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, this is pretty strong. Okay, so over here, for this in this case, okay, So now we are still waiting. I'm still waiting for it to go into my bear zone before it actually started the bear. I cannot. Can I sell now? Actually, yeah, yes, you can, but it is only a retracement. Okay, it's showing there's a chance to sell, but it is tentatively in the retracement of the bull market. So it may sell, but it may short for a little while. Okay, a very short term one, and after that it will start to retrace. Okay, all right. So Euro Aussie, I'm not going to put that into my list. Okay, all right. So Euro Aussie. Yes, Euro Aussie, since over here we have a bear market running very smoothly, a retrace and retest again. Okay, so now right now we are very near to the bull, very near to the bull. Okay, so if we want to continue the selling, I would I would say that well, this is the support already. Okay, this is a support, and where's the resistance level? The resistance level, yeah, this is the resistance level. Okay, over here. So that's why resistance level. This is the main resistance level, as we can see. Okay, the next one that it comes back to from this resistance, it hits on the support here. Okay, the support here, and now moving up. Now it's moving up. Okay, now it will try to move up. Try to. Okay, so at this point of time, I will have two choices here. One is to wait for it to go up. It's 100 over pips. Okay, nah, I think it's quite impossible. Okay, to wait for a retail trader to wait for 100 pips. Am I right? Okay, so next thing I would like to see is that it will break the support. Once it breaks the support, that this is a sign that this may be the last chance that you shall short. It may be the last chance. Okay, so unless it breaks further down, if not, it will go into the bull zone. Which this bull zone, it will actually gives a lot of turbulence. It may be going for a buy, maybe going for a sell. So there's a lot of uncertainties in this area. So this, if this Euro Aussie breaks the support with a new resistance below in H1, okay, yes, you can sell. However, like I said, this may be the last entry for selling. Okay, before you actually experience the turbulence into the bull zone. Okay, we have about 20 pips to go. Okay, 20 pips to enter into the bull zone. All right. So Euro Aussie a bit near. Okay, so for me, I will choose to skip. Okay, I will choose to skip. All right. Okay, so EURUSD. As you can see, EURUSD has already today entered into the bull zone. Okay, this is the bull zone here. So this bull zone over here, now we are trading, selling in the bull zone. So probably there may be a lot of turbulence in this bull zone. As you can see, now we are on the support. Okay, now tentatively we're on the support. And the resistance is actually right up here. No, sorry, it should be here. Okay, yep. So as you can see, this part here, if this cannot break, even if it's breaking the support, we are in the bull zone. We are in this bull zone. So this bull zone, we have a great tendency that it will go up and down, up and down. Okay, so ranging is possible, as well as moving as a bull also possible. Okay, so yeah, EURUSD probably just be careful with this. Okay, all right. So how about Euro Yen? All right, Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen over here. Let's take a look. Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen, we are still in the bull run. Okay, so we are still going for a buy. But buyers, please take note of the resistance above here. Okay, this resistance, all right, is still very valid here. Has been tested a few rounds, but it's not breaking yet. It doesn't mean that it will come down. Okay, so or you may be looking at it hits a few times, it's getting weaker. Not really as well. Okay, but there's a signal of breaking. What is the signal? We have a higher support here, higher support here. That means a strength to buy. A strength to buy, buying towards the resistance is also a sign of breaking the resistance. So please take note. Okay. All right. So Euro Yen is still continue the buying. All right. Okay. How about Euro Kiwi? Euro Kiwi. Yes, Euro Kiwi over here yesterday, I think are quite good. We have a selling. selling off the Euro Kiwi over here. So today we are still in the bear. Euro Kiwi, I can tell you, is really good to sell. We have plenty of space to go. However, of course, by looking at this, okay, Roger was asking, great space to sell, so I can enter a selling trade anytime. No. Okay, although we have about 440 pips to go, however, there may be a slip and then a retracement, then continue a slip. So we need to understand and we need to know when the part where it started to retrace, it may be a small retracement, then we try to avoid ourselves from buying a ticket for a roller coaster. That is very, very important. All right. Okay, so tentatively, Euro Kiwi is still good. All right, it's good. Okay, by looking at Euro Kiwi, I have you know, yes, I have a strong feeling that it's going to sell off. Okay, very nicely for us. Okay, so over here, yes. Okay, over here we have a resistance. Okay, this resistance, and right now we are on the support. Okay, right now we are on the support here. Okay, so right now we are on the support. What are we going to take a look at this support? Okay, I want it to break. No matter what, it must break. It must break the support. Okay, it has been tested since the opening of market today, so it must break the support. If it breaks the support with a new resistance below, okay, then we can start selling. All right. So Euro Kiwi, okay, Euro Kiwi, okay. So Euro dollar, next Euro dollar is another one that we have about 100 over 200 pips to our bull zone. Okay, so good to sell today. All right, so but good to sell Euro dollar today. However, all right, however, we have to take a look where is the point which we should take note of the support which will hinder our selling, and also where is the resistance, okay, that is actually give us the chance to enter. All right, okay, so over here, let's take a look this part here. Okay, so the previous support has been tested once, tested twice, and being break. Good. So right now we are going to the support for about another 28 pips or 30. Okay, about there also. All right. So tentatively, by looking at this right now, okay, we are on the resistance. We are on the resistance already. Yeah, the resistance has been tested once for the past 2 hours. Then now it's starting to sell. All right. Unfortunately, we missed one round. Okay, we have missed one round. Okay, so never mind. Let's wait again for it to retrace upwards to hit on the resistance or to break the support. Okay, then after that we can start selling. Okay, all right. No, sorry, cannot break the support. When you break the support, it already went too far. Okay, so I will wait for it to retrace upwards. Okay, I will wait for it to retrace upwards to hit on the resistance. Then I will start selling. Okay, then I will start selling. Okay. So now let's take a look. I'm going to put euro dollar into my list. Okay, there's plenty of space for me to sell. Okay, so that's a quite a potential one. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah. So let's take a look at pound Aussie. Pound Aussie is actually piercing through my blue zone right now. So it's actually looking at it, it's going for a bear run. Okay, it's continued the bear. However, today, I guess yesterday is quite strong in terms of the selling. So today, some salvation going on. So we are right now, okay, I would say that over here is the support that I'm looking at. It must break the support. Okay, it must break the support. So resistance is creating now, okay, creating a new resistance over here, all right. But whether it will continue the selling, I would say probably have to wait. There's no clear signal. There's no clear signal about this. Okay. Yes, no clear signal. 好了，没有这个很 clear 的 signal，我们就不做了。Okay. All right. So there's no clear signal. We are not going to enter for a trade. Huh? All right. Okay. So yes. Xingwei. What is that? Xingwei. Oh, you're from China. I see. Starting in Korea. Oh, I see. Studying Korea. Okay, okay. Nice to see you here. All right, Sheng Wei. Okay, so if you're new here, remember to click on the subscribe button and give me a like. Ring up the bell as well. All right. Okay, so let's move. PowCAD. PowCAD. Never fear to advertise myself. Huh? Yes. Okay. All right. So PowCAD, where are we going? We are now still in the bear. All right. We are still in the bear. So good, good, good. PowCAD is good. Okay. So right now we are on the support. Okay. So let's see. Am I correct? Where is the support level? Where I can see my resistance? Okay. Yes, tentatively right now we are on the support. Okay, can you see there's a support here? Okay, so the support is actually testing very strongly. Oh, sorry, the support is not here. It should be here. Okay, so it must break this support. Okay, it must break the support level. So as you can see, H1, okay, coming down to a smaller time frame of H1, I'm into the cycle to sell. Okay, so one wave creating a lower resistance compared to the wave, the peak here, which is the current wave here. So a lower resistance, what does that mean? It also means a strength to sell. When there's a strength to sell, what does that mean? It also means that we are going to meet the support level we had, which is about 32 pips. Okay, so PowCAD, I'm going to put this into my list. Okay, so it's quite optimistic, I would say. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this part here, seems good, but we need a new resistance. Okay, about nearby here we have a new resistance over here, this area of resistance. So let it test the resistance first. Okay, let it test the resistance, then we start to sell. We have about 40 pips to go. All right. Okay, so let's move again to pound franc. Pound franc. All right, pound franc. I think it's quite obvious. Pound franc, we are moving downwards and are still trying to test on the bull. Okay, still trying to test on the bull, but pound franc is moving too slow. Okay, yesterday, yes, tested the resistance, then it started to sell. Yes, indeed, it is good. And now, by looking at this part here, it is on the support. Okay, so pound franc, I'm going to give this a miss today, unless right now, if it can create a lower resistance here, that means to say it has a chance to break the support. And this space we have about 20 pips to go. So probably from here, okay, you may have a chance to enter for a selling. Okay. Yes, right now we are on the resistance. Right now we are on the resistance. Pound franc. Right now we are on the resistance to move towards the support level, which is about 20 pips. Okay, so I think you can grab this opportunity. Okay, all right. So if this pound franc breaks above the resistance, forget about it, no more. All right. Okay, so yeah, although it's still, okay, but I will still put it into my watch list. Okay, pound franc today. I guess it will still have a good chance to sell, huh? Okay. Okay, but this pound franc, remember, okay, if we want to sell, we must remain below the resistance area, which is this area. Okay. If it breaks above the resistance, give up. Okay, must give up. Okay. All right. So next to go. Okay. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Yes. Next week onwards, I'll be moving around without my mask. Okay. Anyway, that's not a concern. Okay, so over here, pound yen. All right, pound yen, we are still in the bull, running in the bull, pushing, and push up. Okay, it has breaks the bear zone over here. All right, so previously there's a bear zone here, but it has break up already. So since I break out, then now we are moving towards. Now we are moving towards the north. So moving towards the north, buyers take note. Okay, buyers, you have about 80 pips to go. Good luck. A very good pound yen to buy. Okay, so yes, take note of pound yen. Okay, the buying signal is already here. So tentatively, by looking at this, you can have about, oh, that's a lot. Okay, good luck to people who want to buy pound yen, huh? Okay, so sellers like me, stay away from pound yen tentatively. Okay, all right. So pound kiwi, are we going for a selling as well? Pound kiwi, yes, pound kiwi over here. Let's take a look at pound kiwi here. All right, pound kiwi, we are in the bear, moving nicely down and a little retracement. It breaks the support. Okay, and now are we continue the selling? We are in the bear. Indeed, we are in the bear. Okay, so this is the support level and this is the resistance level. Okay, we are in the trading market. Huh? So good, good, good. Okay, we are still in the trading market. Okay, where the previous support, tested, tested, and break. So what is this? This is a trending market. So this is a trending market over here, and now it is actually giving, it's tested the support. So very likely it's going to test on the resistance or creating a lower high, which is a lower resistance, and going to break. And when there's a lower resistance, what does that mean? It also means that we are breaking the support. Am I right? So a sign of selling and to break the support. So what is this? This is pound kiwi, huh? All right, pound kiwi over here. Will it be good for me to enter a trade right now so that I can sell it off nicely? Well, let's take a look. Support is still on the same area. Okay, so the resistance area. Okay, so now we are moving towards the resistance. So we have about 20 pips. Okay, so be patient. So for pound kiwi, okay, pound kiwi, all right, I think pretty good as well to sell pound kiwi. So let's wait for pound kiwi to test on this resistance without breaking. Okay, then we will have a chance to sell. Okay, so looking back into M5. Okay, so let me minimize it. So tentatively, you can see this is in the bear market, correct? It's in the bear. So we are in the whole zone of bear, correct? And now I'm waiting for it to test the resistance. If it's not breaking, then it will try and it will go into the state of retrace downward to the prevailing trend to sell. Then you will see a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, a lower resistance coming. Then we will start selling. Okay, all right. So pound kiwi, we have a chance, but please take note, it's a double-edged sword whereby once it breaks above, then no more. Okay, if it comes down with a lower resistance, a lower high, yes, then we go on. All right. Okay, so pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Okay, let's see. Pound dollar, yes, we are still in the bear. Okay, moving. Okay, like moving down. Have a scale of a moving average of maybe 20. All right. So let's see. We're still in the downward trend. So downward trend, and we zoom in again. By looking at this, it's a downward trend. But zoom in again. Is it a having? Do we have a retracement in the downward trend, or are we trading in the trend? Okay, so today is showing that it looks like we are trading in the trend. Huh? Okay, so let's take a look. Since we are trading in the trend, we also have to look out things like, example, this is a support. Am I right? Okay, there is a support here. Okay, and now it's testing on the support. So next, the resistance has no change. It is still here. All right, so let us go into the resistance area to check, is there any lower resistance, a sign to sell. Okay, right. So let's see. Over here, very obvious, we do have, this is the resistance area, a lower resistance, a lower resistance. Wow, it's suppressing very, very much with this support here. Okay, this is the support. Looks good again, where this part here, if we have about 20 pips to go, if we're talking about this wave of the resistance, okay, I would say that probably the best resistance, the strongest resistance that will actually reject the trade will be here. Okay, from here. Okay, so now we are in the middle right now, in the middle of nowhere, like going to break the support. We need patience for 16 pips. If we are going to reverse, okay, reverse upwards to test the resistance, we have 21 pips. So you can see, we are in the middle of nowhere. All right, so we need a lot of patience for pound dollar. Okay, if it's pushing up to meet the resistance without breaking, and another new resistance coming down, yes, then we'll go for it. Okay, if it's going down directly, okay, and break the support area, which is good also because I have good space of 50 pips to collect. Okay, dollar is also quite good. Okay, so now it will be quite good as well for us to sell after it breaks the support with a new resistance below that creates a trending market, because the previous support was here, tested and break, and the new resistance that will become a support, become a resistance. All right, and that will be the resistance that going to create a trending market with a lower resistance, going for a lower low, right? A lower low to meet up with the support here. Okay, so this is important for us to be very patient. Okay, so pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar will be the one. Okay, pound dollar will be the one that I'm going to put into my watch list. All right, so looks like all the dollar pairs are pretty strong. So let's take a look at this dollar CAD. Dollar CAD today, it seems like yes, it is a bear trend. Okay, it is a bear trend over here. So right now in this bear trend, but overall, it's still running on the higher support, higher low, higher low, higher low. So we got to be very careful. So you see a higher low creating up here today, and this is the support where we are looking at. And this support is also one thing that we need to know. Dollar CAD, dollar is going to retrace. It's having a retracement today. Okay, so that means to say the rest of the dollar pair may be selling. Okay, so will there be any chance for dollar CAD to sell? Okay, there will be a chance, of course. So this will be the next resistance, and the support is slightly lower. Okay, right. So we are also in the middle of nowhere. So I'm going to give dollar CAD a miss today. All right, I'm going to give this a miss today. So I hope dollar CAD can retrace today. All right, so that the others of the like pound CAD, pound dollar or euro dollar will have a chance to sell. Okay, all right. So sacrifice one currency pair to get profit from the rest. I think that's so much better. Okay, dollar franc, very straightforward. We are going for a buy. Okay, this is very straightforward. Going for a buy, going to retest the bear zone again. So dollar franc, it will be a good buy. Okay, so let's check where's the support. Support still the same over here. Right, so resistance is over here. Buyers can take note. We have about 20 pips, 20 of pips to go. So yeah, that may be good enough for the day to buy. All right. Dollar yen is now testing on my resistance, still going very strongly. Okay, dollar is still very strong. So tentatively, by looking at this, dollar is still going for a buy. And buyers, can I still continue the buying? Yes, you can. However, we are very near to the resistance. So let's wait for H1. Okay, H1 shall break the resistance, and then with a retesting of the resistance, then we will start to buy. Okay, all right. So today it looks like in the past, during the wartime, there's a lot of things like, okay, dollar will go up, gold will come up, oil will come down, or maybe oil will go up, gold will go up, and dollar will come down. But this round, all go up. Correct. Okay, so today, our China leader, not ours, okay, China leader, okay, Mr. Chairman Xi Jinping, okay, he is going to have a talk with Russia Putin, all right? So, I do not know what's going to happen, but it seems like there may be some big movement in the market. Okay, it's going to create a big movement in the market, huh? So guys, when you are trading today, all right, it may also give you a very fast TP, a big TP as well, profits. However, it's also a greater risk out there, huh? Okay, if you're trying to go against the trend, so please, okay, please be very, very careful. Of course, with all the high bank news today, all the high bank news about unemployment, okay, and also all these later on we have these SNB, Okay, all the assessment and policy rate, German flash manufacturing. Okay, all these definitely will give some push, and also of course, in the later of the day, okay, second half of the day we have FOMC member Waller will speak. Okay, so Waller will speak, and not so much of a worry about this. Okay, I don't think it will give any big issue. All right. Okay, so of course, a PMI, apart from all this, I think not not really very important. No, I would say it's not really very big one that will turn the market around. Okay, so yeah, just rest assured and continue the trading today. Okay, yeah, this statement is made by me and for me. Okay, because I personally, all these fundamental don't really pose a very big issue. Okay, all right, so we just need to know what's happening in the world. Okay, and that will actually give us a concept and a mind that how should we trade. Okay, Bitcoin, Riano and Roger, right? So over here, Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is still going on very well. Okay, so yes, welcome Riano, welcome Roger. This is my first profit in Malaysia. Okay, you're not in Malaysia. Okay, so Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, so we are still on the buying mode right now. So Bitcoin is still heading north. We are heading north of Bitcoin. I guess it is very obvious that the next few weeks it should be still on the buying mode. All right. So yeah, but of course, 45. Yes, 45 is the mark that many investors in the world are looking out for. So 45 is the mark. Okay, so 45 of price here, we can just pay attention to. If it's coming near to the 45, halt your trading. Okay, halt. Then pay attention to see how it moves, and if there's any positive news, okay, for Bitcoin, then probably we will continue. Okay, all right. Trading of Bitcoin a little bit different from our trading forex. Okay, it depends a lot on the news, a lot of fundamental. Why? It's because Bitcoin is something new that's going to be introduced into the world. Although it's introduced, okay, but how it's going to take over the way we spend our money. Okay, so it's also another new thing in the world that's going to change the traditional way. All right, so it still relies on a lot of fundamental. Okay, so guys, let's take a look at what are we focusing today. Okay, so yes, Euro Kiwi. Okay, so we have a lot of time now. Okay, so let's recap back a little bit. Euro Kiwi waiting for it to break the support. Okay, so no for now. And Euro dollar, all right, Euro dollar. So Euro dollar is another one. Okay, Euro dollar. So Euro dollar will be another one that is actually right now. Okay. Euro dollar, taking a look at this, I think yes, I will be waiting for it to sell. Okay, Euro dollar, so waiting for it to test on the resistance. Okay, over here, the resistance here, so that it will have a continuous selling that will form a trading market. Okay, so another one will be pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD. Pound CAD looks good because in the selling is still in the. So right now, by looking at this, okay, let it test the resistance. Be patient. Let it test the resistance first. Okay, let it test the resistance before we take action. Pound franc. All right, pound franc. Oh yeah, pound franc. I was just talking about this pound franc. Don't break the resistance. But it's of course right now, does it consider break? No, I would say tentatively it's still testing. All right, so it's still in the resistance area. Okay, this is still in the resistance area. Okay, so hoping that it will come down. Okay, it will come down and fall below the resistance area. Then we start trading. Okay, so pound kiwi. Let's go pound kiwi. Pound kiwi. Let's see what do we have here. Pound kiwi. We are in the selling mode right now. Pound kiwi. Let's take a look. Pound kiwi. Pound kiwi is setting up a higher support. All right, now it's a higher support towards the resistance level. Okay, so please take note. Okay, please take note of the resistance level. Okay, this resistance level is very important. Okay, this resistance level, because why is that so? This resistance level, it will be a place that it will determine that will there be any selling in the bear trend. Okay, so they will. I think I don't. Not I think. Sorry. Usually, at this point of time, the sellers are waiting for a good time to sell. So they are actually allowing this the pound kiwi to retrace, right? Pound kiwi to retrace, so that this pound kiwi to retrace upwards. Then when it comes to the best time and accumulate all the volume, and then they will start selling over here. All right. So let's wait. Be patient. It's not that Eric's giving out some trading tips. I'm going to enter for a trade right now. Oh yes. No, no, no. Please, no, please, please, no. Okay. So pound dollar. This, as I say, this is a support level. So it will go up and test the resistance. Once it tested the resistance and it's not breaking, then we have a good chance to sell. Okay, so I guess these 4 hours are plenty of waiting. Okay, so please be very, very patient. Okay, so that we can grab the profit in a very comfortable way and also very confidently. Okay, right now I will see that PoundCAD will be one of the very potential one, a very promising one. Okay. That's all for today, guys. All right, I hope you grab some profit from my analysis here. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So again, I'm gonna ask for your like, smash the like button, click on the subscribe button as well, and also ring up the bell. Okay, to receive more updates from me. Okay, yes, agenda reminder again. All right. Okay, next Monday onwards, I will be starting the analysis 1 hour here in GMT plus 8, 13 hours GMT plus 7, 12 o'clock, right? Okay, so for the rest of the world, you would. Okay, all right, okay, so 1 hour earlier. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Wish you good luck in your trading and see you tomorrow. This is Eric from ACS Learning Hub. See you.